Looking for the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025? Imagine a spotless home without lifting a finger. These cutting-edge robots do it all, vacuuming and mopping, with smart technology that leaves your floors sparkling clean. Whether you're after the best robot mops of 2025 or a powerful robot vacuum cleaner, we've got the ultimate list to help you find your perfect match. Don't miss out on these game changers for your home. Lightbulb, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more time-saving tech reviews, and check out the description for links to the top-rated picks. Your dream of effortless cleaning starts here. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is an innovative cleaning solution that perfectly blends cutting-edge technology with powerful performance, securing its place as one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025. Ideal for homes with pets, this vacuum excels at picking up pet hair, dirt, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Equipped with Matrix Clean navigation, this robot vacuum uses advanced sensors to create an intelligent home map, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning. It's designed to cover every inch of your floors with precision, while home mapping allows for easy customization of cleaning zones, ensuring it gets the job done exactly where it's needed. One of its standout features is the self-empty base, which holds up to 60 days of debris, minimizing the need for manual intervention and making it perfect for busy households. Whether you're dealing with high-traffic areas or pet hair buildup, the Shark AI Ultra keeps your home spotless without constant maintenance. With voice control compatibility, this robot vacuum integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to start or schedule cleaning tasks hands-free. It transitions smoothly between carpets and hard floors, delivering powerful suction on both surfaces for a deep clean every time. If you're searching for the best robot vacuum cleaner or a best robot mop of 2025, the Shark AI Ultra offers a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Check out the product link in the description and make cleaning a breeze with this high-tech vacuum solution. The Qrevo Slim Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo redefines smart cleaning with its ultra-slim design and exceptional performance, making it a top contender for the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025. Standing just 8.2 centimeters tall, this sleek cleaning powerhouse is perfect for navigating tight spaces while delivering a thorough clean. With a staggering 11,000 Pascal suction power, the Qrevo effortlessly tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair across carpets and hard floors. Its advanced 3D sensing technology and obstacle recognition ensure a seamless, damage-free cleaning experience by intelligently navigating around furniture and other household items. One of its standout features is the flexi-arm side brush and mop, which adapts to corners and edges for a complete clean. The integrated auto mop washing and drying system ensures that your floors are left spotless while keeping the mop sanitary between uses. Coupled with its self-emptying capability, this robot vacuum truly embodies hands-free cleaning convenience. Designed with efficiency in mind, the Qrevo Slim is ideal for anyone searching for the best robot vacuum cleaner or best robot mop of 2025. Whether you're managing pet hair or maintaining a pristine home, its innovative features and powerful performance make it a must-have. Experience the ultimate in home automation with the Qrevo Slim. Don't miss the chance to elevate your cleaning routine. Check out the product link in the description and bring this cutting-edge device into your home today. The robot vacuum and mop combo with self-emptying capability and a 60-day capacity is a game-changer in home cleaning, earning its place as one of the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025. Designed for efficiency and convenience, this robotic cleaner is packed with advanced features that make it an essential tool for maintaining spotless floors. With an impressive 180-minute runtime, this vacuum can handle large areas without interruption, transitioning seamlessly between hard floors and carpets. The home mapping technology ensures precise navigation, avoiding obstacles and ensuring no spot is missed. Whether it's crumbs, pet hair, or dust, the powerful suction and mopping functionality leave your home cleaner than ever. One of its standout features is the self-emptying system with a 60-day capacity, eliminating the need for frequent emptying and making it ideal for busy households. The vacuum is compatible with Wi-Fi, an app, Alexa, and even a remote control, offering unparalleled convenience for scheduling and managing your cleaning tasks. Pet owners will especially appreciate how effectively it picks up pet hair, while its mopping feature adds an extra layer of polish to hard floors. This vacuum and mop combo is not just functional but also user-friendly, making it a great choice for anyone searching for the best robot vacuum cleaner or best robot mops of 2025. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this versatile robotic vacuum. Click the link in the description to bring home a smarter way to clean today. The Roborock S8 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner stands out as one of the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025, delivering unparalleled cleaning performance and advanced features. With its powerful 6,000 Pascal suction, the S8 effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, making it a top choice for pet owners and busy households. The innovative Duo Roller Brush system ensures efficient debris pickup, while the sonic mopping technology scrubs floors at high speed for a deep clean. Its auto-lifting mop feature makes transitioning between surfaces seamless, lifting the mop when carpets are detected to prevent unwanted dampness. The Roborock S8 also features Reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance, using advanced sensors to navigate around furniture, toys, and other obstacles with precision. This ensures thorough coverage without interruptions or damage. Its sleek black design complements modern interiors, and its integration with Alexa allows for voice-activated control, adding to its user-friendly appeal. Whether you're searching for the best robot mops of 2025 or a reliable robot vacuum cleaner, the S8 offers exceptional versatility. Its dual vacuum and mop functionality, combined with advanced obstacle avoidance and powerful cleaning capabilities, make it an essential tool for maintaining a spotless home. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, the Roborock S8 is an investment worth making. Check out the link in the description and see why this robotic cleaner is a must-have for 2025. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is a technological marvel that sets a new benchmark in home cleaning, earning its spot as the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025. Its innovative features and high performance make it a must-have for busy households and pet owners. With an incredible 6,000 Pascal suction power, the S8 Pro Ultra effectively removes dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The liftable dual brush system enhances debris pickup while preventing tangles, and the sonic mop technology scrubs floors with precision, leaving them sparkling clean. The auto-lifting mop function ensures carpets are protected while maintaining cleaning efficiency. The real magic lies in its RockDock Ultra Series features, which include auto-mop washing, auto-drying, self-emptying, and even self-refilling. These fully automated systems ensure the device is always ready to go, reducing maintenance to almost zero. This hands-free convenience is ideal for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Thanks to advanced obstacle avoidance technology, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra navigates seamlessly around furniture and other obstacles, ensuring comprehensive coverage without interruptions. It's also compatible with Alexa and other smart home systems, making it easy to control with voice commands or via the app. If you're searching for the best robot mops of 2025 or a high-performing vacuum mop combo, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra delivers exceptional results. Its cutting-edge features and ease of use make it a standout choice for modern homes. Check out the link in the description and discover the future of cleaning today.